Hi everybody, welcome to Pafford Homestead. Welcome to our kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a green chili stew and we're going to go step by step with it. I'm going to be cooking it in my pressure cooker. Something new, huh? Yeah. So we're going to go step by step. I've already got everything cut up. Everything is ready to go. So let's get started. So let's go over your ingredients. I have here a pork butt roast that I cut up, cubed up, took off the bone. We had leftovers from something else that he had cooked, so I went on ahead and did that. So over here, I have a jalapeno, bell pepper, onion, more onion, garlic, poblano peppers, cilantro, potatoes, not onions. I'm looking at onions. Olive oil, and of course my seasonings and my own canned chicken broth. So let's get started. Yum yum. Okay, so I have my pressure cooker here and I just turned it on so that we can start the open sear. And I'm going to put probably a couple tablespoons of olive oil at the bottom. And I'm going to let that warm up just a little bit, okay, before I start putting stuff in. Okay, so it's all ready to go. It's heated up. So I'm going to go ahead and add my meat. And I'm going to put my bone in there so I can saute that up as well. And all you're doing is you're just searing it for now. Okay. Go ahead and add my poblano peppers. Sear that up with them. Add my bell pepper, onions, and jalapenos. Let's sear all this up together. Don't that look pretty? All of the colors. Beautiful. Let all that sear up and come together. So, growing up, I was a single father. Well, my dad was a single father most of our times growing up. So we didn't do much cooking. It was all out to eat or over at my granny's house, she would cook us, you know, home cooked meals and everything, because my dad was always working. So growing up, we didn't learn how to cook, learn how to use seasonings. When I got with Charlie, he taught me. And when we first got together, I tried to cook, and he was like, don't do it again. So he would always cook, but I would watch, and that's how I learned. So a lot of these recipes that I use is stuff that he has taught me. I wish I could say I have a lot of grandparent recipes or parent recipes, stuff like that, but I don't. So when he made this for the first time, I fell in love with it. We have a cold front that's coming in right now. It's not a cold front, it's a cool front. So I figured this would be a good recipe to keep us warm tonight. So I hope y'all enjoy it as much as we do. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty much seared up. You don't want to fully cook it this way because we are cooking it in the pressure cooker so it can make it tender and everything. You just want it just about like this, the change of color. And the bone doesn't matter because that's going to come out. So now we're going to add our garlic. How much garlic I added was 3 cloves. And we're going to go ahead and add our seasonings. And that consists of salt. You just want to do your starter seasonings for now. You don't want to season until it starts cooking better. Pepper. Onion. Garlic. Paprika. Cumin. And a special seasoning. Okay, so we got these seasonings in. Let's mix them up. It already smells good. So, like I said, I have my chicken broth. We're going to add that into it. And I'm going to add a little bit over half a jar of water. So let's get that stirred up. Now, I have here my cilantro. I'm not going to put that much in yet, but I am going to put some in while it's cooking. And I'm just going to take and cut it in. Stems and all. You never can have too much cilantro. People don't realize that cilantro and their stems have a lot of flavor. They just take the leaves off and just use them. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put this on pressure cook for 20 minutes, and I'm gonna let it pressure cook, and then we're gonna check it out. Be back. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes, and all the pressure and everything has come off. I'm gonna open it up and test it and see what seasonings we need to add. I know it's gotta cook a little bit longer, not too much longer. Wow. See how easy that is? But let's test it for seasoning. Oh, hot. Okay, I'm gonna add some more garlic. Some more cumin. And a little bit more paprika. Stir all that up. Now I'm going to take and add more onion. Some more cilantro. And now my potatoes. Get my potatoes here. Stir it all up. Taste for seasoning one more time. Actually, I think it needs a little bit more salt. What did I do with my salt? Here it is. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it back on and pressure cook for 15 more minutes. Okay, so it's been cooking for 15 minutes. Let's open it up and check it out. Oh yeah, the potatoes are nice and done. And the meat is very, very tender. Wow, it's falling apart.
We'll see.
Look at that. So, this is how you make our green chili stew. Hopefully, y'all try it out, make it yourself, share your recipe with us, and we'll try it. So keep on homesteading. Bye, y'all.